In this video, we're going to be finding the kth percentile of a data set. This will be denoted by P with a subscript of a K. To begin, we'll need some data. And what we'll need to do with our data first is basically put our data in order. And now that we have our data in order, we will start computing a locator value using what's called a locator function. This locator function will look like this. It'll be L, that'll be our locator value, equaling K, our percentile, divided by 100. And then we multiply by our sample size. In this particular case, our sample size, if we count on through here, is going to be 20. There's 20 data values listed above. Now we'll go through and we'll compute two examples of this because there's two special cases. First off, we're going to find the 25th percentile of this data set. So we'll start by computing the locator value, meaning we're going to do 25 divided by 100, and we'll multiply that times 20, and that's going to give us 5. Right. Now the important thing here is that 5 is a whole number. When we have a whole number for our locator value, we do one specific thing. We find in our list of data the 5th and the 6th data value, and we take their average. So in this particular case, -1 is our first value, then our second, third, fourth, 3 is our 5th, 5 is our 6th. So we're going to take 3 and 5 out of our list as the 5th and 6th values. And when we want to compute our 25th percentile, we're going to average our data values of 3 and 5. So we'll add 3 to 5, divide by 2, and we'll find out that our 25th percentile in this case is 4. Now a second example will be when we find the 66th percentile of this data set. So P subscript 66. Again, we start by computing the locator value. So we're going to do 66 divided by 100. Then we'll multiply that by our sample size, which is 20. And what we will get in this case is 13.2, which we'll notice is not a whole number, which means we're going to handle finding our percentile in the list a little bit differently. What we'll do is we'll take our locator value and we will round it up to the next whole number. So in that case it'll be 14. So we count to the 14th data value in the list, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then the 24 is our 14th data value. So the 66th percentile is going to be equal to 24. So we just want to make sure we pay attention to our locator value. If it's a whole number, we do things one way. If our locator value is not a whole number, we do things another way.